Alright guys, um there's this thing we fail to understand as farmers, and it's that we fail to understand that cocoa farming is a system and every other thing is built on the system, and that the system matters more than input or varieties. Why am I saying so? Or why is the farming system, or why is this farming system more important than input or varieties? When people talk about improving yield, the conversation always jumps immediately to variety and input. Which hybrid is best, which fertilizer is best, and which fungicide is the best. Now, these things matters, but there are downstream decisions. They are answers to problems that the farming system either creates or prevents. The system is the foundation that everything else is built on. A cocoa farming system is, at its simplest, the structural arrangement of your farm, how many trees per hectare, what shade trees are present, what other crops are interplanted, and how the whole thing is managed over time. Remember, cocoa is an understory tree. In its natural state, it grows under a forest canopy. It evolved to receive filtered sunlight, roughly 30 to 50% of full sunlight. It evolved in the presence of complex root system, organic leaf litter, mycorrhizal network, and natural biological controls that a diverse forest provide. When we move cocoa into a farm setting, we are asking it to perform, to produce commercially in conditions that may be very different from what it evolved for. Now, the degree to which our farming system honors or violates the plant's biology determines almost everything that follows. The farming system is not just an agronomic choice. It is a 10 to 30 years financial commitment. Getting it right at the beginning is far cheaper than correcting it in 10 years. Now, there are three broad systems used across cocoa producing countries, which are full sun monoculture, shaded monoculture, and the multi-layer agronomic system. So in my next video, we are going to tackle it or explain it